What's up, everyone? KSC here, and I'm here with my Harbor Bay Great Value ceiling fan. This is a really nice chandelier. Has a 153 millimeter motor. I'm gonna put it on a low forward for you guys. There's also no other ceiling titty in here. It's just this one chandelier. This is my fire alarm. As you can see, low speed is really slow. This fan is also gray. Let's put it on low speed. Yeah. A really cool fan. Let's put it on reverse. And I have a portable fan right here. It blows a lot of air. Yeah, this fan doesn't blow shit. It's a piece of garbage, you know.